Hello friends, I hope all of you are doing great. Today I'll be sharing with you on how I did this beautiful painting from the pore drippings. In ring pores and other pores, we use little thick paint consistencies, and while adjusting the composition and also while getting rid of the not so great area in a pore, we are left with considerable amount of paint drippings. Sometimes we can use these drippings wisely. I'll show you one way of doing that in this video. So I did this pearl pour and the dripped paint was enough, which I didn't want to waste. I mixed all of this paint to see what color I get. If you like the dripped design as it is, you can use it right away in a reverse dip on a canvas, or you can let it dry to use it in paint skins. Here I got this chocolate color which has metallic feel to it, and it's shiny because of Deco Art Extreme Sheen in it. I like it as it is, and I could have adjusted it a bit by adding other paint if I wished a different tone, but I'm liking this color. It's bright, so I just took my new canvas and dipped. This way my dripped paint could be used. Press the canvas from the back while dipping it in to ensure the even coating of paint onto the canvas. I dipped the sides of the canvas as well to coat it evenly, and this paint did have silicone in it, so I knew that in the background layer there will be little dips because of it, but it's okay. Anyways, I was aiming for a textured look. So with leftover paints of the other colors, I created puddles. Layering one color on top of another, and I dipped the canvas on both sides. And the results were amazingly beautiful. Since all the colors had silicone in them, it created beautiful multicolored cells, as you can see. And sometimes less is more. This negative space is enhancing the beauty of the pour. So the leftover paint on the working space was looking so good, and I just thought of doing another canvas with it. So I dipped the canvas, but the paint didn't stick because the canvas was not having the base paint on it. So I mixed the paint one more time and then coated the canvas. and again repeated the same steps of creating the puddles with the multicolored paints and then reverse dipping. This way I got these two beautiful paintings out of the leftover paints and the drippings from the another pour, which otherwise would have gone to waste. In this way it can be used wisely and we can get some beautiful designs and pour paintings. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please subscribe to show your support. I will see you soon in the next video. Bye.